hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, hi, I'm Tiyasa. I make fashion, beauty and lifestyle related content in this channel. Please take a moment and subscribe and also press the bell icon, then you will be notified every time I post. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you my last 6 months period. So without further ado, let's get started. So first one is this haircare range. This is by VLCC and this is their onion and fenugreek haircare range. So this is their shampoo, this one is conditioner and this is their hair oil. First of all, thank you VLCC for sending this. And about the product, I have already used it. So I really love this range, especially the hair oil. I just love this one. This one is so non-greasy. This is one of my favorite hair oil. So just thumbs up from me. Next I received this. This is by Plum and this is their green tea face wash and this is their green tea toner. I just love this product. So next two are my favorites. This is by Dermavive. This is their cleanser and this is Neutriderm moisturizer. I just love this. So this cleanser is one of my favorite cleanser and this moisturizer I have already talked about it in my favorite moisturizer video. So this one is amazing. If you use makeup, use this underneath your makeup. You will love that. If you want to give it a try, definitely go for it. Those are really amazing. Next, I have received another great moisturizer. This is from Arbutin and this is their Phyto Clear moisturizer. This is really great and I love the packaging. This product is fragrance free and cruelty free, so great. So next I have received this. This is by Niconi. This is their aloe vera painless liposoluble wax and I haven't tried it yet, so I can't give you a review. Next products are from Wow. This is their sunscreen, hair oil and two hair oils. This is their onion blackseed hair oil and this is their ginger hair oil. So first of all, I don't like their sunscreen. This is, I don't know, this doesn't work for me. I don't know why, but every time I use this I break out. So I don't like this one. But skincare is totally subjective, so if you have tried it and this worked, good for you, but I don't know, I don't like it. Next are their hair oils, the ginger one and the onion blackseed one. I love their hair care range. I love their hair oils. I don't know, their skincare range doesn't work for me, but I love their hair oils. So next one is this hair oil. So this is by Brillare and I love their packaging. There are 8 small bottles and what you have to do, just attach their caps. So this is like a small funnel. This one is pretty good hair oil, but this is for almost 800 rupees. So quite expensive. Next I have received this. This is by Sanfe and this is their razor. This is Deo cream and this is their oil, moisturizing oil. Their razors are pretty good. I don't like this one though, but also the moisturizing oil is also great. So these two are great, but I don't like this one. This is like middle of something. Next I have received this. This is by Delixirs. शायद मैं नाम गलत प्रोनाउंस कर रही हूँ. I am sorry for that. But this is their face cream, and this one. About this one, I have already finished it. Not me actually, my mom and dad already finished it. So about it, it has a strong sandalwood fragrance. So I don't like strong fragrance in my moisturizer, but this product is really great. My mom and dad loving it, but because of its fragrance I don't like it. Next is this cleanser. This is by Skinkraft, and this is their scented face cleanser product. This is also a okayish product. I don't hate it, but I don't love this one. This is for $4.99. Next is this vitamin C. This is by Pilgrim. And about this vitamin C, this is a great one. Next is this. This is by Zayn and Myza. I hope I am not pronouncing the brand name wrong. I am really sorry if I am pronouncing it wrong. And about the product, I have already used it and I am loving this face serum. This is their vitamin C face serum. Next is this Pimple Patch, and I just received it, so I can't give you a review. So next one, this is by Luxura Zayn. This is their Salicylic acid and 2% Niacinamide. So I am using this right now. So I can't tell you if it is good or bad, but I will post a story about it soon. So next one is this vitamin C, hyaluronic acid and salicylic acid face serum. So about this one, I really don't love this one. This is a okayish product, so I didn't see a great result after using this. So this is a okayish product. So I just received this. This is by WishCare, and this is their fermented rice water shampoo. I have already used their hair mask and I love that. So I have really high hope for this one. I will soon post about it on my Instagram. So next one is this anti-acne face wash. This is by Body Avenue, and this is not a bad product. This is also a okayish product. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. So yeah, middle of something. Next one is this. This is by Body Alchemy, and this is their aloe vera gel. I have already talked about it and I just love this product, so thumbs up from. And last but not the least, this is by Kaina. This is their body polishing kit. This is their body gel, body scrub, and body mask, and their body lotion. So about the product feels really luxurious, but it is for 1200 rupees. So I think this is little bit overpriced, but if you want to try it, give it a try. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, then give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which product you have already tried, and you can follow me on my Instagram, Tiyasa Mishra Official. I have a trail channel, Tiyasa Mishra Official. I have another YouTube channel, TN Vlogs, and I will be back really soon. Till then, bye bye.